I've been editing videos for years. But today, I asked AI to do my job. What happened next? Honestly, it crushed me. Normally, editing a 2-minute YouTube video takes me 2 to 3 hours. Cuts, transitions, captions, music. It's a whole process. So I tested 3 AI tools: Descript, Runway ML, and Opus Clip. Here's what happened. First, I dropped my raw footage into Descript. It transcribed everything instantly. I deleted all my uhs by just backspacing. Then I used overdub to fix a messed up line without re-recording. Mind blown. Next up, Runway ML. I typed blur the background and boom, automatic masking. Added B-roll with just a sentence. This is stuff that used to take me 45 minutes, done in 4. Finally, Opus Clip turned the full video into short viral clips with captions and zooms, automatically. It even picked the best quotes for social media. No timeline, no complex layers, no stress. I didn't even touch Premiere Pro. And honestly, the AI version looked better than mine. I felt weird, replaced, but also kind of relieved. I spent the extra time on writing and brainstorming instead of staring at a progress bar. AI didn't just edit my video, it edited how I think about work. This isn't the end of video editors, but it might be the end of editing the hard way. Would you trust AI to do your job? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if it ever replaces me again, I hope it at least gives me credit.